Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for stopping by. So in today's video, from the thumbnail you already know, we are going to beat this face using just one color eyeshadow. It's going to be very simple guys, so that if you are a beginner or if you don't want to stress yourself blending a lot of colors, or if you are facing difficulties with eyeshadow application, this one color eyeshadow look will definitely go perfectly well for you, because you can use any color of your choice. If you want it colorful, you can stay colorful. If you want it simple, neutral, you can just stay neutral. Just pick any color from your eyeshadow palette, you use the same technique, and you get yourself ready. So let's move on to the whole creating of the look. First, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'll be using this absolute setting powder to set the concealer on my eyebrows. If you don't want to apply concealer, you can just go in with your powder, or you can replace concealer with your primer, and after that you set it with powder. For my eyebrows, I'll be using the Million Pauline eyebrow gel. First, I'm going to brush the eyebrow hairs using my spoolie brush. Now to conceal the eyebrows, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn and this brush. I'm going to use this buffing brush to blend the excess concealer, as I'm doing right now. So after concealing the eyebrows, you blend everything together. You blend the concealer, the excess concealer, and you blend this front part of your eyebrows. Guys, look at my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo pencil in milk as my eyeshadow base. I'll be going in with this shade right here. I'm using just what is left on the brush to blend the edges of the eyeshadow. Remember, we are using just one color for this look, so you just have to focus and blend the edges. to have that flawless eyeshadow look. Yeah, I think I'm satisfied with the blending. For my eyeliner, I'll be using the Wet n Wild liquid liner. For my primer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Primer. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. To highlight my face, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. To set the highlighted areas, I'll be using the Absolute Setting Powder. And I'm applying the setting powder at the same time, just pressing it into the skin, so I'm not going to do like baking. For my contour, I'll be using this shade of powder from the Classic Contour Palette. To set the rest of my face, I'll be using this powder from the color. For my blush, I'll be using this shade of blush from the Miss Rose 6 Colors Blush. For my highlight, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Loose Highlight. To spray my face, I'll be using the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. For my lipstick, I'll be going in with this classic lipstick. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop down your comments in the comment section below, and that will be all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.